In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Airtable with Google Sheets. To get started, open Airtable and prepare the table you want to sync. This is an important first step because the sync will only work smoothly if your data is already organized the way you want it. Take a moment to review the table, confirm the fields are clearly labeled, and make sure the records you plan to send are ready. A clean table structure makes the next steps much easier and helps prevent confusion later. Next, open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where the Airtable data will be sent. If the spreadsheet already exists, check that you're using the correct file and the correct tab. If needed, you can quickly review the column layout so it's ready to receive the incoming information. Having both Airtable and Google Sheets open at the same time can make the setup process faster and easier to follow. After that, choose an integration tool. You can use a sync platform like Unito, Make, Zapier, or another connector that supports both Airtable and Google Sheets. The purpose of this tool is to act as the bridge between the two apps, so this is where the automation will be built. Once you're inside the tool, begin creating the sync or automation that links your source and destination. Now connect Airtable. Select the correct workspace, then choose the base and the specific table you want to sync. Be careful here, especially if you manage multiple Airtable bases, because selecting the wrong source could send the wrong data. Double check the table name before moving on, then connect Google Sheets. Choose the correct Google account, then select the spreadsheet and the sheet tab where the Airtable data should appear. This step tells the integration exactly where the synced data will go, so accuracy matters. Once both sides are connected, map the fields. This means matching each Airtable field to the correct Google Sheets column. For example, a name field in Airtable should go to the name column in Sheets, and a date field should go to the date column. Careful field mapping keeps your data readable and consistent. After mapping, run a test sync. This allows you to check whether the data transfers correctly before turning anything on fully. Review the results in Google Sheets and confirm the values appear in the expected columns. Finally, activate the sync. Turn on the automation so future updates can move between Airtable and Google Sheets based on the setup you created. Once it's active, keep an eye on the first few updates to make sure everything continues working as expected.